Okay. So, if you look at the first question, which option you can eliminate, or which option you are sure about? Barren Island, you must be knowing. It's in India. So, it's anyway incorrectly matched. What about others? Mauna Loa, any idea? Hawaii. For the Gallant PCM students, we have written the example. Mauna Loa of Hawaii. Yes. So, Mauna Loa is Hawaii. Semeru is Indonesia. Barren Island is India. Taal volcano is in Philippines itself. Taal volcano is an example for caldera. Okay. And we can, like, it's better you have an idea regarding the Pacific Ring of Fire also. Like, you will be able to answer these questions. So, only 3 pairs are incorrectly matched. So, the answer should be C. Second question. The country is having land boundary with Israel. It was an obvious question, like predictable question. Egypt, Lebanon, Turkey, Yemen, Jordan, Syria. Come on, tell me. Which of the countries having boundary with Syria? Sorry, with Israel. We have Egypt. We have Jordan, you must be knowing, because Israel and Jordan is sharing the Dead Sea. Then Lebanon, Syria, Palestine. Okay, so 4 countries having sharing boundary with Israel, not Turkey, not Yemen. Yemen, you must be knowing the location. Where is Yemen? On the southern side of the Arabian Peninsula. Okay, so answer is C, only 4. Bomb cyclones. It's a large, intense mid-latitude storm that has high pressure at the center. This can happen when a cold air mass collides with a warm air mass. It generally occurs during cold months. The process of formation of the rapidly strengthening weather system is called bombogenesis. Even if you don't know bomb cyclones, if you know cyclone, you will be able to answer this question. Okay, what is the answer? Yes, cyclones are anyway having a low pressure at the center. If it is having high pressure at the center, it is going to be anticyclones. Okay, so bomb cyclones are formed like when we have a cyclonic condition, and if the pressure is dropping very suddenly, we call that process as bombogenesis, and that particular process or that particular cyclone is called as bomb cyclone. It is said that if you are having a drop of pressure by around 24 millibars within 24 hours, then we call it as bomb cyclone. So anyway, if you read the first statement, you know that it's saying high pressure at the center. No, cyclone is having low pressure at the center. So A is the answer. All the other 3 statements are correct regarding bomb cyclones. Question number 4, that is regarding the cold deserts. Taklamakan, Gobi, Mojave, Patagonia, Great Namibian Desert. Okay. Any elimination possibilities? Namibia. Where is Namibia? Africa. It's lying in the tropical side of Africa. Tropical western margin are hot deserts. Where is Mojave? I have used the same example in the class. Mojave is in North America, tropical western margin of North America. All other deserts are largely continental, except Patagonia, which is lying extremely south. So, Great Namibia and Mojave are hot deserts, all other are cold deserts. So, answer is only 3. Taklamakan, Gobi and Patagonia are cold deserts. Consider the following. It is regarding the conditions suitable for the coral reef growth. Clean sediment free water, tropical seas with annual temperature, extensive and shallow submarine platforms, salinity ranging from 27 to 30 parts per thousand. For coral reef to grow, they grow in tropical waters. They need clear salt water. They grow at shallow depth. They do not grow above water level. You might have studied the conditions for the growth of coral reefs. So all 4 conditions are met. Answer is D. Dog. 6th question, consider the following trees: rosewood, mahogany, babul. Which of these trees are found in tropical rainforest? Okay, so when you're writing the prelims, mostly like in most of the cases, along with the knowledge that you have gained in the last 1 year or 2 years of preparation, you should use all the accumulated information, all the accumulated data that you have in your brain from your childhood. Okay, sometimes a small data from the magic pot or kalikuduka, or even a small detail from the wafer of a chocolate is going to help you to answer some questions. Babul, have you heard about babul? There was a toothpaste. Using that tree. Babul is usually found in tropical thorny forest, not in tropical rainforest. Rosewood and mahogany are found in tropical rainforest. So answer is going to be sixth question. The answer is B. Only 2. 7 is regarding Pineapple Express. The rigorous ripening of pineapples in South India by the influence of northwest monsoons. Northwest monsoons. Localized wind blowing across the Mediterranean coast, causing floods in Europe. Ocean currents developing in Indian Ocean during the winter months, resulting in early arrival of monsoon. An atmospheric river that picks up warm, moist air near Hawaii and causing heavy rain and snow. Pineapple Express. Any idea? Have you read about Pineapple Express before? If you haven't read, if you read the term Pineapple Express, express means something which is moving, right? Something which is flowing. So it can be B, C or D mostly, isn't it? So reading at option C, ocean currents that develop in Indian Ocean during winter months, resulting in early arrival of monsoon. Ocean currents in winter months and early arrival of monsoon. Between winter and monsoon, we have summer. So that's not a possibility. So like that would help you to eliminate C. Between B and D, you should be choosing D, an atmospheric river that picks up moist air near Hawaii, causing heavy rain and snow. Like usually it begins in tropical areas due to high temperature, the evaporation rate will be high, and this will be like this evaporated air will be moving upwards, and the wind will be carrying this. So they are called as atmospheric river. Like the lot of moisture that is formed from the ocean is carried by the wind. Like the rivers that we have on the land, we have a water or the moisture flow in the atmosphere. So that is atmospheric river. Pineapple Express is an example for atmospheric river. Okay, it was from current affairs recently in news. Next, regarding heat waves, statement type of question. They generally occur over the plains of northwest India, central and north peninsular India. Color codes are used in weather warnings to emphasize the severity of the situation. Heat waves, what are heat waves? When do we say a particular region is having heat wave? Conditions, temperature above 40 degrees Celsius in plains, above 30 degrees Celsius in hilly areas, and if it is higher than 4.5 to 6.5 degrees Celsius than normal, then we say normal heat wave. If it is more than 6.4 degrees Celsius than normal, then we call it a severe heat wave. Okay, heat wave generally occur over plains of northwest India, central and north peninsular India. True or false? True. Color codes are used in weather warnings. True or false? True. It's similar to the rain. We say green alert, sorry, yellow alert, orange alert, red alert. Similar to that, green, yellow, orange and red is present for heat waves also. Question number 9. The Great African Rift Valley is a massive geological formation that stretches from northern Syria to Mozambique, central Mozambique in East Africa. The convergence of African and Arabian plates caters the rifting activity in East Africa. Okay, 8th question answer പറഞ്ഞല്ലോ. Answer is B. Okay, answer is B. How becomes the correct explanation? Okay, regarding Rift Valley, C statement 2, is it right or wrong? Wrong, because Rift Valleys are occurred by divergence of continental plates. What about statement 1? From Syria to East Africa? Yes, that's right. This Great African Rift Valley is formed by the divergence of Nubian African plate, Somalian plate and Arabian plate. They are diverging. So like this divergence have been taking place since 30 million years. So as a result, we have the Red Sea, Mediterranean Sea, etc. So that drift is still continuing. So first statement is right, second is wrong. So answer should be C. Corsica, Crete, Chios, Euboea, Lesbos, Mallorca, Rhodes, Sardinia. These are examples of major islands, rivers, regions with establishment of Chinese military bases, marginal seas of Atlantic Ocean. Okay, let it be rivers, islands or whatever it is. Nearby which continent is going to be? How does the name sound? Mostly it will be Europe. Okay, in like I was able to answer this question because I like in world history you might have studied about, when you study Italian unification, you might have studied about Sardinia. Yes, so it's basically major islands of Mediterranean Sea. Like the familiar names include Sardinia and Crete. Corsica, not, no, maybe. Okay, 11th is a resource geography based question. Mica is found in the states of Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha and Rajasthan. Kodarma district of Jharkhand state has been famous for ruby mica. Mica can be used in toothpaste and cosmetics. When you read such a question, anyway, you can see the third statement says mica can be used in toothpaste. It can be. So 3 is anyway right. What about the first statement? Mica is found in the state of Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha and Rajasthan. Yes, mica is found in Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra. See, mica is basically a non-metallic mineral, isn't it? We usually get the metallic minerals from the plateau regions, like we have from Deccan Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau. So non-metallic minerals are found from the other sides of India mostly. Okay, even though mica region, like we can see majorly in Maharashtra, Odisha and Rajasthan, like they are on the sides of the plateaus where we can find. Okay, so Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Rajasthan are the places where we have the mica production. So Kodarma, Jharkhand has ruby mica. All the 3 statements are right. D is the answer.